Hello and welcome. My name is Elizabeth Sabet, and I'm the Executive Director and co-founder of Hope, Holistic Options for People Everywhere. This month, we're celebrating a really important event. In May, we will have conducted 8 years of consecutive monthly potluck community events. At these potlucks, we give people who are on the personal growth and spiritual growth path a place and a space and opportunity to visit with like-minded people and to share their journey. And what's happened over the 8 years is we've learned so much about ourselves, each other, and the process of emerging into new realities of experience. And as we've walked this journey, we've met people from all over the United States and even in other countries. We've had a lot of interest about what we're doing in Lubbock, Texas, so we decided that we would open up these events in a monthly Google Hangout Air broadcast, and then later they'll be on YouTube. So as each guest speaker is comfortable, we will be broadcasting the program this way live, either that or we will be uploading it onto YouTube later on. But this month, we are definitely going to be broadcasting live. We have a very special guest from Orcas Island off the coast of Washington State, Dr. Rosie Kuhn. I met Dr. Rosie at the 2014 Assist Mental Health Conference on the issues of spiritual emergence and emergencies and how they fit into the therapeutic model. I was very impressed with Dr. Rosie, her body of work, and just her presence of being. She's a very beautiful and incredibly open-hearted person. Her talk this week is going to be about spiritual immersion, which is very different from spiritual emergence and emergency. So I invite you to come back to this page. You want to be sure and bookmark the address above so that you can come back to this page and click on the join button no later than 6:45 this Sunday, May 31st, and that is 6:45 Central Standard Time. We would love to have you. We have so many members that have moved away from Lubbock and can't join the potluck, but this way you can. We also have met people, again, all over the country and even from different countries who are interested in what we've accomplished here in our little community in Lubbock, Texas. So if you join the live event, and the Q&A screen should be up on the right-hand side of your screen once you join, please let us know where you're from. We would love to share that with our members here in Lubbock. Also, you should be able to ask questions during the event. You can post your question on the right-hand side of the screen on the Q&A part of the screen, and Dr. Rosie will get to your questions and the questions of the people in the audience at some point in the broadcast. You can expect this broadcast to last approximately an hour. Every once in a while we go over. If it's really engaging and people are interested, it might go over 10 or 15 minutes, but usually not more. We really try to stick to an hour. So once again, I'm really excited about this opportunity to start broadcasting live and increasing our circle of friends. Thank you so much for joining. Oh, and if you'd like to know a little bit more about spiritual immersion, be sure that you look down at the description at the bottom of this page to read what Dr. Rosie has written about spiritual immersion and the process of the development of the human spirit. Once again, my name is Elizabeth, and I really do hope that you'll join us. Looking forward to seeing you on the 31st. Bye-bye.